I'm so tired. What is that? I'm gonna go look outside. Oh, that's really windy. All the leaves are blowing. I'm gonna go wake everyone up because, like, I don't want to be the only one awake. Oh, I don't hear any snoring. I think they're awake. Let me look. Guys, you made a mess. You guys have paint all over the floor and water spilled on the carpet. Ooh, I'm telling. No. Please, no. I don't want to get in trouble because then I'm not going to have my toys. Yeah, sissy. Don't do this to us. Okay, fine, but I'm still going to wake them up. I'm not going to tell them about it. Thank you, sissy. Thank you, sissy. Hugs. Okay, let's go wake them up now. Okay, I'm pretty sure they're awake. Oh, hey, baby Emmy. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, let's go wake up Mom and Dad. Mom, Dad, wake up. Why are you waking me up? Well, I heard some winds outside and, like, it's kind of really bad and I don't know what's going on. Honey, it's probably nothing. There's probably nothing going on. Yeah, you're probably right. It's probably just wind. Okay, I'm gonna go make dinner soon. You guys are just, like, sitting there. So, I'll see you. I'm gonna go grab my phone. I forgot to get it. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, they leave their toys out here in the middle. Okay, there's my phone. And let me put baby Emmy down real quick. Okay, I'm gonna pick a new outfit. What should I wear? I think I'm gonna wear these glasses and this cute little dress. Let's hang that back up. Okay, come on. Okay, I'm gonna set my phone down for a minute and let. What is that? What does this say? Tornado warning? Let me take off my glasses. There's a tornado warning. I was wondering why it was raining so bad. I have to go tell Mom and Dad. Mom, Dad, there's a tornado warning. Where's your guys' phone? Oh, I don't even know. Wait, there's a what? There's a tornado warning. Are you being for real? Yes, look at my phone. It says it's right in our neighborhood. Oh, we need to go take cover now. But we don't have any places in our house that don't have windows. All the rooms have windows, even the bathrooms. Well, what are we gonna do? The only thing we can do. We're gonna have to go to one of the tornado shelters. Where is that? It's kind of far, not too far. Okay, we better get going. It says that it's gonna happen in 30 minutes and it's gonna last for 2 hours. Okay, get Joss and Ellie to come down up here now. Joss and Ellie, hurry! There's a tornado warning. Wait, a what warning? A tornado warning. I don't wanna die. Okay, you're not. Just hurry and come downstairs now. Okay, we're coming. Okay, Sissy, let's go. Okay, guys, let's hurry up and go. It's gonna start raining really bad. I'm really scared. Don't worry, everything's gonna be alright. No, it's not. Okay, let's just go. Ew, what is this place? There's like so much old stuff. Okay, hurry up. It's raining really hard. Someone shut the door. I'll shut it. Ew, what is all this stuff? Like, ew. Okay, I'm just gonna put my phone here. Like, make some room, because, like, I need this table. Okay. Let's just wait here for the storm to be over. And we're gonna be standing right here, and then here. Oh, it's going away from our house. That's good. Okay, great. No.
2 hours
I think it's
later.
over now. Are you sure? I don't want to get hurt. Hey, what about my toys? I don't have any toys. I do without it. Well, I don't think anything happened to our house, so I think we're fine. Toy! Yeah, toys. Okay, let's go. Yay, our house is still alive. Yay, and I still have my watermelon cushion. It's not a cushion. It is a chair. It's not even a chair. You meanie. Okay, stop arguing. We literally just got home. Yeah, girls, you just gotta stop. I'm so happy. Okay, I'm kind of tired. I think I'm gonna go to sleep. Yeah, me too. Me 3. I guess we're going to bed too. Yep, I guess.